Oh my God. This is the breakfast you gotta try. Today we're making a country breakfast skillet, the kind you can find in all these big diners and on social media with all of that eggs and sausage and ham and cheese and probably veggies. We're veganizing it with some tofu scrambles, some really delicious breakfast potatoes, some sausagey crumbles, and putting it all together, topping it with some cheese. Oh my God, it is so satisfying and so hearty and so delicious. And this is after 5 years of Delena pestering me to make a version of this skillet. Every time we make some kind of breakfast scramble thing, she's like, oh, we should do this country breakfast thing. It has potatoes and eggs and cheese and all of that. And I was like, okay, fine, let's do it. Let's peel some potatoes. So, I don't know how you guys peel potatoes. This is how I peel. Delena keeps telling me to do this, but it doesn't work for me. So... Let's make our sausagey crumbles, grounds, or whatever you're using. You can use on-meat sausages or the sausage patties or some veggie grounds. I'm using veggie grounds. I just like them. I like that texture. Now for all that flavor, we're gonna add some onion powder, smoked paprika, pepper flakes, and salt. If you want them to have a bit of moisture, you can add some ketchup in it or tomato paste and a little bit of stock. These are nice and golden, so remove them from the skillet. Add some oil for our potatoes. Now we want to wait for the oil to get really nicely hot before we add the potatoes in. This is pretty hot, so we're going to add carefully your potatoes. You're gonna spread these and let them sit for a few minutes to crisp up on one side. And I'll be back after they're crisp. I'll let these cook for another 2 minutes or so before we add the rest of the ingredients. Look at those gorgeous potatoes. Now we're gonna add in some salt, thyme, onion powder, black pepper. Smells so good already. And our green peppers, red peppers, onion, and garlic. Mix all of this up. Make the peppers and onion a little golden for like 2 minutes. Then we're gonna reduce the heat and cover it and let it cook all the way through. We're gonna remove them from the skillet. So we're gonna make my scramble seasoning so that it makes our life simpler to make any savory breakfast. We need 2 tablespoons of nooch, a tablespoon of Kala Namak, that is the Indian sulfur black salt, which tastes like eggs. We need some paprika, garlic powder, some onion, and turmeric. We need some black pepper as well. You're gonna make a larger batch of the scramble seasoning and keep it, because then you can just use it as needed. Scramble seasoning. This is very potent. So you want to start with less seasoning and then add more later. The scramble needs just 2-3 minutes to cook. We're gonna add some salt, some spinach, and some of that sausage mix. Mix that all up. Some of these potatoes. And more of our sausagey thing, sausagey crumble. Then we're gonna put some cheese. This is optional. Add some more black pepper. And then cover with the lid and hope that the cheese melts. Oh yeah, it melted. Add some green onion and enjoy.
That doesn't say good morning. I don't know what does.
I know. And some potatoes. And some bread on the side. You're gonna sprinkle some of that scramble seasoning just before serving for extra egginess. This is optional. If you really want that eggy flavor, this is gonna pop that out so well. You can also make some burritos. Put this on the skillet to seal and you have a handy to-go breakfast. You can make the sausage crumbles ahead and you can make the tofu scramble ahead, but make the potatoes fresh in the morning because the potatoes are best when they're freshly browned. We're making a big helping and it is such a hearty breakfast. It's great for a holiday breakfast or brunch, or when your family is visiting or your friends are visiting, or if you want to just invite your neighbors in for an amazing breakfast. If you like hearty breakfast or breakfast casseroles, you can try my Eggs Benedict casserole. It's absolutely delicious. My Mexican egg casserole, make any of my frittatas that also serve a crowd. All of these are listed in the description below. For any kind of questions about substitutes for ingredients, as well as if you want to convert it into a casserole, see the post for all of these answers. If you do make this casserole, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, don't forget to review it on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, creative vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.